As we navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of technology, the Metaverse has emerged as a groundbreaking platform for hosting virtual events. This digital universe offers an expansive realm where creativity knows no bounds, allowing individuals and businesses to connect, collaborate, and engage with audiences in ways previously unimaginable. The potential of hosting virtual events in the Metaverse is immense, ranging from immersive conferences and trade shows to interactive workshops and social gatherings. By leveraging this innovative space, event organizers can reach global audiences, reduce overhead costs, and create unforgettable experiences that captivate participants. Tapping into current tech trends is crucial for income generation in today's digital economy. The Metaverse represents a unique intersection of entertainment, commerce, and social interaction, making it an ideal environment for entrepreneurs looking to capitalize on emerging opportunities. By embracing this trend, individuals can position themselves at the forefront of a new wave of digital entrepreneurship, creating revenue streams through ticket sales, sponsorships, and merchandise. Engaging with the Metaverse not only opens doors to financial success, but also allows for the exploration of unique opportunities that traditional event hosting cannot offer. From customizable virtual environments to interactive features that enhance audience participation, the Metaverse empowers event moguls to innovate and redefine the way we experience events. As we delve deeper into this exciting frontier, the possibilities for growth and creativity are limitless, inviting aspiring entrepreneurs to seize the moment and become pioneers in the world of virtual events. The Metaverse is a collective virtual space that merges physical and digital realities, allowing users to interact with a computer-generated environment and other users in real time. It encompasses various components including virtual reality and augmented reality, which enhance user experiences by immersing them in lifelike simulations or overlaying digital elements onto the real world. This convergence of technologies creates a rich tapestry of interconnected experiences, where users can socialize, work, and play. The growing popularity of the Metaverse is evident among both users and businesses. As more individuals seek engaging online experiences, the Metaverse has become a hub for social interaction, entertainment, and commerce. Major companies are investing heavily in this space, recognizing its potential to reshape how we connect and conduct business. This trend is further fueled by advancements in technology, making virtual environments more accessible and appealing to a wider audience. The Metaverse serves as a groundbreaking platform for innovative event hosting, offering unique opportunities that traditional venues cannot match. Event organizers can create immersive experiences that captivate attendees, from virtual conferences with interactive panels to trade shows featuring three-dimensional product displays. The ability to customize environments and incorporate gamification elements enhances audience engagement, making events more memorable. As the Metaverse continues to evolve, it presents an exciting frontier for event professionals to explore, innovate, and redefine the future of gatherings in a digital-first world. The Metaverse offers a diverse array of virtual events that cater to various interests and demographics, making it an ideal platform for engaging audiences. One prominent type is virtual conferences, which allow professionals from around the globe to gather for keynote speeches, panel discussions, and networking opportunities. These events often feature interactive elements such as question and answer sessions and breakout rooms, fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing among participants. Another popular format is virtual concerts, where artists perform live in immersive environments. These concerts can incorporate stunning visuals, interactive features, and even virtual meet and greets, creating a unique experience that transcends traditional live performances. The ability to reach a global audience without geographical limitations makes virtual concerts particularly appealing to both artists and fans. Trade shows are also thriving in the Metaverse, providing businesses with a platform to showcase their products and services. Attendees can explore virtual booths, engage with exhibitors, and participate in live demonstrations. The interactive nature of these events allows for deeper engagement, as potential customers can ask questions and receive real-time feedback. By offering various formats, the Metaverse caters to diverse interests and demographics. Whether it's a tech-savvy audience seeking the latest innovations at a trade show or music lovers eager to experience a concert from the comfort of their homes, virtual events in the Metaverse provide tailored experiences that resonate with a wide range of participants. This versatility is key to attracting and retaining audiences in an increasingly digital world. Generating income through virtual events in the metaverse requires a strategic approach that leverages various monetization methods. One of the most common strategies is ticket sales, where attendees purchase access to exclusive content, workshops, or performances. By offering tiered pricing options, event organizers can cater to different budgets and enhance revenue potential. Sponsorships also play a crucial role in monetizing virtual events. By partnering with brands that align with the event's theme or audience, organizers can secure financial support in exchange for promotional opportunities. This can include branded virtual booths, sponsored sessions, or product placements within the event environment, creating a win-win situation for both parties. Merchandise sales present another avenue for income generation. Event organizers can create and sell branded products such as apparel, digital collectibles, or exclusive content, enhancing the overall experience for attendees while driving additional revenue. Creating value for attendees is essential to driving revenue. By offering unique experiences, high-quality content, and opportunities for networking, organizers can ensure that participants feel their investment is worthwhile. Successful virtual events such as the virtual Coachella Music Festival or the online Comic-Con have demonstrated the potential for significant income generation through innovative monetization strategies. These events not only attracted large audiences, but also secured substantial sponsorship deals and merchandise sales, showcasing the lucrative possibilities within the metaverse. By implementing effective monetization strategies, event organizers can thrive in this evolving digital landscape. Hosting virtual events in the metaverse requires the right tools and platforms to create engaging and immersive experiences. Several popular platforms have emerged, each offering unique features that cater to different event needs. VR Chat is one of the leading platforms for hosting virtual events, allowing users to create and customize their own environments. With its extensive library of user-generated content, event organizers can design unique spaces that reflect their brand or theme. VR Chat supports social interactions, enabling attendees to engage with one another through avatars, making it ideal for networking events and social gatherings. Altspace VR is another excellent option, particularly for live events such as conferences and meetups. This platform offers built-in tools for hosting presentations, discussions, and interactive activities. Its user-friendly interface allows organizers to easily manage events and engage with attendees through features like live chat and Quanda sessions, enhancing audience participation. Gather is a versatile platform that combines video conferencing with a virtual space, allowing users to navigate through a customizable environment. This platform is perfect for workshops and collaborative events, as it enables participants to move around and interact in real time, fostering a sense of presence and community. By exploring these tools and platforms, event organizers can enhance their virtual event experiences, creating memorable and engaging interactions for attendees. Each platform offers distinct advantages, making it essential to choose the one that aligns best with the event's goals and audience. Effectively marketing virtual events is crucial for attracting attendees and ensuring a successful turnout. In today's digital landscape, social media and digital marketing strategies play a pivotal role in reaching potential participants. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn provide excellent avenues for promoting events, allowing organizers to share updates, engage with audiences, and create buzz around their offerings. Creating engaging promotional content is essential to capture interest. This can include eye-catching graphics, teaser videos, and compelling event descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of attending. Utilizing storytelling techniques can help convey the event's value, making it more relatable and appealing to potential attendees. Additionally, incorporating countdowns and reminders can create a sense of urgency, encouraging people to register before it's too late. Partnerships and collaborations can significantly expand the reach of your marketing efforts. By teaming up with influencers, industry leaders, or complementary brands, you can tap into their audiences and gain credibility. Co-hosting events or cross-promoting each other's content can create a win-win situation, increasing visibility and attracting a diverse range of attendees. In summary, leveraging social media, crafting engaging promotional content, and forming strategic partnerships are key components of a successful marketing strategy for virtual events. By implementing these tactics, organizers can effectively attract attendees and create memorable experiences that resonate long after the event concludes. The Metaverse has witnessed several notable virtual events that have set benchmarks for success, showcasing innovative approaches and engaging experiences. One prominent example is the virtual Coachella Music Festival, which adapted its iconic in-person event into a fully immersive online experience. Attendees could explore a vibrant digital landscape, interact with other festival-goers, and enjoy live performances from top artists. The event's success was attributed to its high-quality production, engaging visuals, and the ability to replicate the festival atmosphere, resulting in millions of views and significant brand partnerships. Another successful case study is the online Comic-Con, which transitioned from a physical gathering to a virtual format. This event featured panels with popular creators, exclusive previews, and interactive Quanda sessions. By leveraging existing fan engagement and utilizing social media for promotion, Comic-Con managed to attract a global audience, demonstrating the power of community in driving attendance. The event's success highlighted the importance of maintaining connections with fans and providing valuable content that resonates with their interests. These case studies illustrate key factors that contribute to successful virtual events, such as high-quality production, engaging content, and strong community involvement. Organizers can draw inspiration from these examples by focusing on creating immersive experiences, leveraging technology, and fostering connections with their audience. By applying these lessons, event planners can enhance their own virtual events and achieve remarkable outcomes in the metaverse. In summary, hosting virtual events in the metaverse presents a wealth of opportunities for creativity, engagement, and income generation. We explored various types of virtual events including conferences, concerts, and trade shows, each offering unique features that cater to diverse audiences. The importance of utilizing effective marketing strategies, such as leveraging social media and creating engaging promotional content, was emphasized as a key factor in attracting attendees. Moreover, we discussed the various monetization strategies available, including ticket sales, sponsorships, and merchandise, highlighting the potential for digital entrepreneurship in this evolving landscape. By tapping into current tech trends and embracing the metaverse, event organizers can create memorable experiences while generating significant revenue. As we conclude, we encourage you to reflect on the insights shared in this video, and consider how you can apply these lessons to your own virtual events. The metaverse is a dynamic space that invites innovation and exploration, and now is the perfect time to dive in. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from learning about hosting virtual events in the metaverse. Your engagement helps us continue to provide insightful content and resources for aspiring event organizers and digital entrepreneurs. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the metaverse.